Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your store language preference on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this drop-down menu, look for and select Store Preferences. This option is specifically designed to help you customize how the Steam store appears and functions for you, including the language in which all store content, game descriptions, and promotional materials are displayed. Clicking on Store Preferences will take you to a dedicated settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your store experience. Once the Store Preferences page loads, you'll notice a left panel with different customization categories. In this left panel, click on Language Preferences. This section is where Steam allows you to control the language used throughout the store interface, ensuring that everything from game titles to reviews appears in the language you're most comfortable with. It's particularly useful if you want to browse the store in your native language or if you're learning a new language and want to practice. Now, on the main area of the Language Preferences page, look for the Primary Language option. Directly below this label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a comprehensive list of available languages. Steam supports dozens of languages from around the world, so take your time to browse through the options and select your preferred language. Simply click on the language you want to use, and the drop-down will close with your selection now displayed. After selecting your preferred language, scroll down the page until you reach the bottom. There you'll see a Save button. Click on Save to apply your new language preference. This action will update your Steam store settings, and the next time you browse the store, all the content will appear in the language you just selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed your store language preference on Steam, allowing you to browse and shop in the language that works best for you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.